Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account inside Crunchyroll. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on the important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, you first need to go ahead and download Crunchyroll, so go ahead and do that from the Play or App Store. So type in Crunchyroll and click on Crunchyroll, download and install that. Once that is done, you want to click on Open. Give it a few moments to load. And now what you want to do here, you want to click on Create Account, bottom of the screen. And now you want to add in your email and password. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I've added in my details. You can check this box if you want to. I want all the latest Crunchyroll info, offers and news. I'm just going to leave that unchecked. So now what you need to do here is click on Create Account. And then give this a few moments to load. And you can skip this for now, or you can subscribe with a free trial. It's totally up to you. Click on allow. Yeah, and that's it guys. It's as simple as that, how to create an account on Crunchyroll. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.